Welcome to Rusty Relics Ranch. My name's David, and today we are going to cut some milo. We'll be using this old International Harvester 403 combine. So before we get started, I'll tell you a little bit about this machine. It was, as far as I know, bought new by a friend of my dad's in El Maton, Texas, and it cut grain till I think year 1990. And then was put in a warehouse for the next 30 years and hadn't moved. I found it, purchased it, and drug it home and did all the work necessary to get it running again, functioning. Did cut milo with it last year, so this will be the second year to get it out and exercise it a little bit again. So I'll tell you a little bit about the machine. I think we got the 13-foot grain head on here. It's a C263 gas engine, variable speed machine. Does have factory air, although the system's not charged today. For a little bit we're going to do it, it'll be fine. You can just get a shot of the machine here. That's almost entirely original paint. It was stored inside all its life. So it's in, I think, very good condition for its age. We'll just take a quick walk around here. I believe it to be a 1969 model. I'm not positive, so I can't find any information on the serial number. So what I'll do is post it in the comments of the video, and if anybody knows or can tell me what year it is, just let me know. See, I think it's a 69. See, it does have the extra cooler there for the air-conditioned condenser. It is set up for milo.